Today I'm going to show you how to make this really nutritious and tasty green smoothie. I start by opening the lid on my blender and pour in a good glug of apple juice, followed by a similar amount of pineapple juice. These amounts don't really need to be precise, and it kinda depends on how thick or runny you want your smoothie. Because fruit juice contains quite a bit of sugar, I also added a glass of water to help dilute it. For this smoothie, I'm going to be adding spinach, kiwi fruit, banana, lime and kale. First, I took a couple of kiwi fruits, cut off the ends, and used my knife to peel it. Then added it to the blender. If you prefer, you can leave the peel on. For this one, I just cut off the ends, washed it under the tap, and added it straight in like this. Next, I took a handful of green kale, added that to the blender, then opened up this bag of spinach and added a good handful of that too. Our blender is now pretty well loaded with nice nutritious green ingredients, so it's time to put the top on and give it a good blend. You can see as I blended it for longer, it takes on a deeper, fuller colour as it chops all the ingredients nice and fine. Pretty green, huh? When it's nicely blended, take off the cap and add a banana. If you want to make it thicker, you could add a couple. And to give it a little citrus kick, I'm taking this lime, cutting off a nice slice, and dropping it complete with a peel straight into the blender. Put the cap back on and give it another good blend. When it's all done, take the lid off, and it's ready to serve. This smoothie is a really lovely colour, and it's a great consistency too. It's healthy and nutritious, and it tastes amazing. If you've got any left over, you can save some for later. You can pour it into a bottle and store it in the fridge. I hope you've enjoyed watching this video. If you want to see how to make these amazing smoothies, I'll be launching the videos in the next day or two, so you can click on the links or take a look at my YouTube channel page. And if you want to be notified every time I launch a new video, you can subscribe to my channel. Then you need to click the little notification bell by the subscribe button and tick the box. Have fun, stay safe, and as always, thanks for watching.